Welcome to a brand new episode of Illkiller's Punditry, the show about spirituality and emotions. I am Stephanie Peunitz, and in this episode I'm going to do only one thing, and that's give you a super powerful healing meditation. And I think we kind of needed that after last week's heavy duty 3-part series. So yeah, let's lighten the mood. I'm in my favorite dress, so it has to be a good episode. Are you ready for it? You have a place where you can sit comfortably? Let's do it. Close your eyes. Get a sense of your body, your personal space, and get a sense of the room. If you're meditating outside, get a sense of the space that you have outside. Settle in. Gently push your breathing down. Take nice, long, slow, deep breaths. Deep breaths. Let a small, controllable whirlwind enter the space that you're in. This whirlwind is going to take all energies that aren't pleasant to you out of this space. Just clean the space. The whirlwind can clean up your personal space as well. Let it gently brush up alongside you and let all the energies that aren't pleasant to you be taken away. The whirlwind has now finished its job, and it's going to drill itself into the earth where all the energies will be transformed. How is your breathing? Can it be deeper? Can it be calmer? Deep breaths. Open yourself up for love. All you have to do is invite yourself to be open to love. Let love shine into your body. You can imagine love as the brightest, whitest light. Respectfully fill your body completely with love. Your body is soaking it all up. You can also fill your personal space completely with love. You can breathe the love in and out. In and out. Love truly is a healing energy, and you can tap into it whenever you like. Now you've been surrounded with soft and healing energy. You are going to tap into your unique power. You can imagine your unique power as a golden sun. Just let that sun shine on you and feel the warmth of the golden rays. Feel the golden sunshine. You are allowed to be. You are allowed to be. Take up as much space as you need. Keep that breathing nice, calm, and deep. Your unique power brings you in touch with your purpose, your values, and your goals. Shine from your core. You deserve to shine. Fill up your entire body, your personal space, fill it all up, make it all turn to gold. Deep breaths. Now, I'm going to ask you to do something. It might be a little bit difficult. We are not feeling so hot. I want you to experience gratitude. Just recite calmly and lovingly inside yourself. I experience gratitude. I experience gratitude. There is always something to be grateful for. I experience gratitude. Deep breaths. Do you feel the difference between love, your unique power, and gratitude? I experience gratitude. You've been all powered up. How does it feel? Take a moment to enjoy. Just feel all the healthy energies flowing through your body. breaths. You can be proud of yourself. You did this. Take a few more deep breaths before closing the meditation out. One more deep breath. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation. And I'll see you again next week. Bye.